How to delete Facebook account. First of all, launch Facebook app. Now once you are logged in, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Scroll down below and under Settings and Privacy, go to Settings. From here, go to See More in Account Center. Now scroll down below and go ahead and select Manage Accounts. Now tap on your Facebook account and just go to Manage. Now go to Deactivation or Deletion. Now over here you'll see two of the options. Select on Delete Account. Now you can see that deleting your account is permanent while deactivation is temporary. So when you delete your Facebook account, your main Facebook profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You also won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. Also, all additional profiles, Messenger, and all of your messages will be deleted as well. Now just go to Continue. Now, if you have a Facebook page, you can simply tap on Continue as well, as this will be deleted along with your Facebook account as well. Let's tap on Continue. Now just choose a reason for your account deletion. I'm going to tap on this first option. Then just tap on Continue. Now, once you come here, if you still have doubt about deleting your Facebook account, you can go through all these details and then tap on Yes, Deactivate instead. Or else just tap on No, Continue with Deletion. Now, once you come to this page, you can see various details. So, if you wish to keep your Messenger deactivated instead, you can see that if you delete your Facebook account, Messenger and all of your messages will be deleted. So you can still tap on Deactivate Account. Now you can also save posts in your archive. Now, deleting your Facebook account will delete your posts and photos. So if you'd rather keep your account but remove certain posts and photos that you no longer want to show on your profile, you can move them to your archive. So for that, you can go to Activity Log. So in order to export, just tap on Export Info. You can also review apps that you have logged into through your Facebook account and view those linked apps. Once you go through this, just tap on Continue. Now, all you would have to do is enter your password on this field. Then simply tap on the option of Continue. Now after this, once you come to this page, you can see that once you're about to schedule your account for permanent deletion, you will have time for 30 days in order to cancel that deletion. So after 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information that you have added. You can cancel your account deletion by simply logging in to your Facebook account or through Account Center. Now just tap on Delete Account. So with that, you will be able to delete your Facebook account. In order to cancel deletion, you can enter your credentials and log in again before 30 days time period. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.